You're listening to NewsRamp Cryptocurrency. Today is Saturday morning, August 1st, 2026. Real stories, AI voice. Details at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's dive in.
Clarity Act progress fuels optimism in crypto markets. Crypto asset investment products saw an influx of nearly $860 million last week, marking the sixth consecutive week of positive flows. Optimism surrounding proposed U.S. South regulation continues to impact market sentiment. Bitmine Immersion Technologies, Inc. is closely monitoring the crypto market to gain valuable insights amidst these dynamic market conditions.
Bitcoin Bancorp reports first quarter revenue and raises full year 2026 revenue outlook. Bitcoin Bancorp reports a significant increase in revenue for the first quarter of 2026 and raises its full year revenue outlook. The company attributes this growth to the expansion of its Bitcoin ATM network and new revenue initiatives. With updated guidance anticipating revenue between $4.40 million and $4.60 million for the full year, Bitcoin Bancorp is on track to double its revenue from the previous fiscal year. Mission IR News breaks. Forward Industries Inc. taps crypto traditional finance veteran to drive next phase of growth. Forward Industries Inc. has named Mark Brazier as its new CFO to oversee financial operations, capital structure, and more. With experience in traditional finance and crypto, Brazier is expected to drive the next phase of growth for the company. Forward Industries aims to expand its Solana treasury operations and capital markets activities under his leadership. Crypto news breaks. Bullish to acquire Equiniti in $4.20 billion transaction. Bullish has announced the acquisition of Equiniti in a $4.20 billion deal, aiming to enhance its blockchain-native capital markets infrastructure. The merger combines Bullish's digital asset platform with Equiniti's transfer agent capabilities, serving millions of shareholders. The move is set to create a global platform for tokenized securities. The transaction is expected to close in January 2027, pending regulatory approvals.
Crypto exchanges ask lawmakers to delete risky tokens language from Clarity Act. Crypto exchanges are urging lawmakers to remove risky tokens language from the Clarity Act, potentially impacting how digital assets are traded in the U.S. American Bitcoin Corp is closely monitoring any developments in this legislation that could shape the future of the crypto market.
Welcome to NewsRamp at BBC Learning Studio. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.